Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Today I have a short but extremely useful video for you. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button and drop a comment. It really helps the channel. We're going to significantly boost the security of your Android smartphone so that even if someone tries to hack you, it becomes much harder for them. Let's get started. Go to your phone's Settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Next, tap on Choose Default Apps. Now look for and tap on Opening Links. This is the most important setting I want to show you today. A lot of people don't know about it, but it's actually quite risky. You'll see an option called Open Links in Apps or Open Supported Links. I strongly recommend you disable this setting. Here's why. Every time you click on a link inside an app, it can open directly within that app, even if the app isn't fully trusted. This makes it very easy for hackers to trick you with malicious links. You can't properly check the real web address, and there's no browser protection running in the background. When you open links in a proper browser like Chrome, Opera, or Firefox, you can clearly see the full URL, verify if the site is legitimate, and benefit from the browser's built-in security features that block dangerous scripts. So for better security, turn this off and always open links in your browser instead. And since you've watched this far, here's a bonus tip. If you want to completely stop tracking on your phone, let's disable Google Assistant or Gemini. Go back to Settings, go to Apps, and then Default Apps, then tap on Digital Assistant App or Assistant App, select None or. This completely disables Google Assistant and Gemini on your device. It stops running in the background and significantly reduces tracking. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching till I really appreciate your support. If you found this useful, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next useful tips. Peace out.